if you're in the marketplace for a new Range Rover, you want black, you want the 350 brake horsepower, you want something that's took a bit of a hit in the price. So this car's a D350 HSE. It's got big spec, priced right, priced at $80,990. The spec, Santorini black, 23-inch wheels, shadowline exterior, privacy glass, ebony leather, ebony roof lining, so it's all black, like a triple black Range Rover. It's a HSE, heated seats, cooled seats, same for the rear, heads-up display, sliding sunroof. It is great specification. It's a 72, so it's still got warranty till the end of this year, and it's just a great buy, $80,990. Shadowline exterior, so the badging, the insert, it's all that been de-chromed into that darker finish. HSE adaptive auto headlights, you get the best headlights. Wheels, big option, 23-inch wheels. Sliding sunroof, as I've mentioned, that isn't something you get as standard, but that is a paid for optional extra. People sometimes think that's standard, it's not. Standard features on a big Range Rover like this are things like soft closed doors, adaptive cruise, heated steering wheel. But this is for one of them customers out there who are wanting an all black Range Rover, priced right, circa £30,000 less than when the car was new. Still got warranty in the right specification. I'll show you in the back first. Gloss black grand veneer, rear electric adjustable seats, things like illuminated seat belts with it being a HSE, Meridian upgrade 3D surround sound system. The seats, as I said, they're heated and cooled. Ebony roof lining, sliding sunroof. Lovely, lovely car. Soft closed doors. And then into the front. Again, and I've said this in the past, in my opinion, HSE in a new Range Rover is enough spec. You know, we get customers asking for autobiographies. You've got your heads-up display, you've got your clear sight camera, you've got heated seats, cooled seats, you've got a sliding sunroof. What more spec really do you need? From the outside, the car looks tremendous, certainly with the shadow line and the 23-inch wheels. Lovely inside. I mentioned about the sunroof, I've mentioned about the clear sight, heated wheel, adaptive cruise. Into the main menu here, you've got full surround 3D camera system, as well as the clear sight up here. And then I'll just show you some of the functions like the seats. So heated, cooled, heated and cooled, as you can see. Just turn them off, certainly done them on the day. Back into the main menu, wireless Apple CarPlay, park assist, cabin lighting, standard feature on these cars, but again, very, very popular and desirable feature that people love. And I haven't spoke about the engine. A lot of the cars that are on the market are 300, this is a 350. Get a lot of customers asking us for this engine. So you've got that fantastic 350 horsepower diesel engine, four-wheel steering, powerful, luxurious, and a great buy. It'll sell very quick, this, because the colour combo and the price point. Electric folding boot, split folding, as you can see, you can drop them seats down if you wish. Massive boot. Beautiful Range Rover, spec'd right at the right price. It's going to go live on all our platforms. If you want to get it reserved, the number's on the screen. Give me a call.